In this video I want to show you how to use URP Lighting Box 3 for interior lighting. Okay, first of all you need to open the URP Lighting Box, create a profile everywhere that you like. Nice. We don't want to use PBR because we don't have the skybox, so use a simple skybox. First I need to change the emission of this light source. And from URP Lighting Box enable bloom effect. Nice. Okay, we want to use bake lighting and use all light baked and soft shadows. Just start bake the scene. All objects are static. First I want to use low resolution for baking. Here you can see the bake resolution. Nice. Real-time reflection works well. Wait for baking. You can use the auto mode. As you can see, we have a very good lighting. You can increase indirect intensity to make your scene bright in overall. Wait to see the result. As you can see, the scene is now more bright. From here you can easily customize, increase the gamma. Nice. Also you can increase exposure. As you can see, the scene looks good. You can select the floor. The materials are simple lead. We need to convert to the lead. Models, materials, universal lead. Nice. Now we have a PBR lighting. You can work on the contrast and gamma each together to find the proper value. As you can see, Lighting Box quickly help you to find good lighting. You can increase indirect intensity more. Good. You can use Lighting Box Auto PBR to make your materials PBR quickly. This is the channel B. You can use channel G. As you can see, the auto PBR quickly make your materials PBR. you can edit shader to add UV. Oh, I'm not too much familiar with shader graph, so I can't help you with shader graph. Okay. As you can see, the lighting box helps you to quickly reach to your desired result in shortest possible time. Okay, I have added tiling feature easily. Tiling offset. Now with the good tiling, as you can see, the scene looks good. Select this one. Universal. You can see the auto PBR shader automatically create a good material for you. Nice. I hope this video is useful to you. Everything is so easy. You can also use filmic color grading for a scene. Nice. You can also use ambient source as a color. Disable emission and use a skybox color as an ambient source.